Welcome back, friends. So now it's time for us to delete the to-do, and I hope so it's going to be pretty easy. And let's move to VS Code and see how exactly we can do delete. So friends, when I have to click on delete button, I want to do an action. So I simply say on click, I want to make sure that I have to delete an action. So I write delete handler, right? So I write a delete handler. So delete handler is going to be created by me. So we'll create one function again with the name const name it delete handler, and this delete handler takes an index. Okay, so we'll get an index here. So friends, I have to call here and we have to pass the index. So we write here index, and when we get this index, friends, we have to do dispatch, and we have to delete action. So this to do action, I have to pass an index here. And let's try to understand, friend, what this functionality actually do. So we can see this delete handler, delete to do action takes an ID, and in the payload, friend, I can see that I want to pass an ID. Okay, so remember this thing, friends, we are passing an index here. This index is the part of my ID. So if I go here and if I go to my to do reducer, I hope so we are getting the ID. Yes, friends, we're getting the ID. And let me just write it quite easy because many people mention this thing that they are not able to understand this thing. So I write it here state dot todos dot filter because this is quite easy for everyone to understand. So to do, it says that first I will take a value, next is index. So I simply say to do. I don't have any with to do. Actually, I have to with play with index. I say whatever index actually I'm getting should not match equals to the ID that actually I'm getting. Correct? So filter all those to-dos which are not having the ID that is matching with my current ID. That's what I need. And that's what I need, friends. I will go back to my browser and try to understand is it actually working or not. Right? So friends, I go my browser, I do a refresh here. Let's try to add something. I say first to-do added. I add my second to-do as well. So I write here second to-do added. I tried to delete the second to do friends, it got deleted. I want to delete the first to do friends, it got deleted, right? Let me write once again, first to do added. Let me write second to do added. Let me write third to do added. I hope so this is gonna work. So let's click on the second to do. The second one deleted friends, I can say first and third is here. When I click on delete or third, I also get deleted. First also got deleted. And now if so friends, only one thing is there. If there's no to do, I should see a message no to do, right? So friends, how we can do that thing? So if I see this thing, friends, I have to go my VS Code. Let's try to write some little code about it, how we can do that thing. So friends, I can see this to-dos.map is actually working totally fine, right? This is working totally fine. But if in the case I don't have to-dos, right? Or I can say right like this thing, to-dos dot right length. I hope that is to-dos length length, right? If to-dos length is equals to 0, it means that is actually empty. I simply write it here like this thing. I can give my h3 tag. I can write no todos, right? So friends, when I do this thing, you will actually get to know that my data will work like this particular thing, right? If I go to browser, friends, you can see this no todos. When try to add some todo, let's see adding first todo. So friends, it actually got changes, right? That's what I want to do. I hope so it makes sense to all of you friends how we can do this thing. When I click on delete again, it works the same thing that I want, right? I hope so now you can write some little bit of CSS, you can do change your things and you can show your things apart, right, from each other in the left and right hand side. That's all friend from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.